Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of Instagram Reels lagging on your phone? Let's fix that fast. First step is to clear cache. Go to your phone settings, then click on apps and notification, then on apps. Scroll down until you find Instagram. Then tap on it. Tap on storage, then on clear cache. Next step you can use is go to your Play Store and make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Sometimes a quick restart can fix many issues. Hold the power button and select restart. And that's it. Enjoy smooth Instagram Reels.